Hey guys, it's Austin from Rise of the Faces here. We recently got a package from Robo 3D. They just delivered it to us. So our lead 3D modeler is going to be opening that.
I have no idea what's inside actually.
This is
We heard that it was an invitation.
an invitation.
And there's something like on the bottom.
Okay.
So let's start with this.
Is there anything inside?
Oh, it's a
besides
letter.
Oh.
Dear Team 4216 Rise of the Faces, I am personally writing this letter to say a couple of things. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support and loyalty to Robo over the past couple of years. It is because of users like you all that 3D printing is growing and the Robo name becoming more well known. Now to have a team like you all leading the Robo movement makes me unbelievably proud. I see all the effort you put in, the time you spend showcasing Robo, and the love you have for Robo and 3D printing. I would like to personally welcome you to the Robo Elite program.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa.
That's
Okay.
so cool.
That is.
Okay.
Is there more?
There's more. That was only the
Okay,
first
well-
half. This is an exclusive invite-only group of users who we deem to be the most promising, helpful, passionate, and forward-thinking users to date. For being in the program, you will receive 20% off all Robo 3D printers for life.
Ooh. For life?
For life.
For life.
God.
So I think that means each one of us, which is kind of cool. 30% off all Robo 3D filament for life.
That's helpful.
30%?
30%.
Wow.
First members of our new Robo affiliate program.
Ooh.
Member of our beta testing group and Robo Elite Facebook group,
Oh.
which is great. We'll probably be ones of the first to test it out, and maybe the Android app,
Ooh.
Nice.
which I'm excited for because I have an Android. The included Robo Elite emblem, which you can attach anywhere on your Robo printer. All we ask from you all is to continue sharing and contributing to the future of Robo and 3D printing. This is the start of a movement. This is the beginning of a stronger and closer relationship I want to have with you all. Thank you again for supporting us in this journey. I look forward to creating an amazing Robo Elite program with you all. Braden, Robo co-founder.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, and it says Robo.
Elite.
Unveiling to the camera.
Oh, but backwards.
Oh, nice! Thank you so much, Robo 3D.
Thank you, Robo
This
3D.
is awesome.
This is going right on the printer.
That's awesome.
Oh, wow. Final thank yous to Robo 3D.
Thank you, Robo
So
3D.
much, Robo.
Thank you so much, Robo 3D.
Thank you. Thank you. This is cool.
Beautiful.